What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I got something a little different. Company is called Kicks World, and you basically can rent shoes from them for a monthly fee, and then if you want to keep the shoe you can also opt in to buy the shoe, or you can keep it for as many months as you would like. But let's get into the review. I just wanted to show you guys they send it in the box like this. This is their sticker. That's how you know who they are. But let me just jump into the box here. This one's a little bit harder to open. I'm gonna show you guys everything that they send over when it comes to the box. Alright, so you got your pair here. You shoot the box. Got your bubble wrap to get out the shoes in. Kobe 5 Protros, and box looks a little beat, but the box doesn't matter because I'm wearing the shoes. I opted for the Dead Stock membership, so they send you got your Kicks World stickers, you also got your card that gives you all the info that you need right there. They send a return label, so when you want to return the shoes, welcome to our world. On the back you got Kicks World. They do send you some shoe trees for you to put in your shoes. Got some Rejuvenator sneaker wipes. See if the camera's picking that up. Rejuvenator sneaker wipes to keep them clean while you wear them. So you basically got about a month to wear them, and then you could either send them back or you could hold them for another month, another couple of weeks. Whenever you send them back, you pick the next pair that you want. They got 4 levels. They got level 1, which brand new pairs is $9.99. Basically $100 a month to rent the shoes brand new. I think they have a used section that is, I think, 85, 75, something like that a month. It goes all the way up to the level. You got level 1, 2, 3, and 4. Level 4 being the most, like, you're talking about, like, I mean, you're talking like your Guavas, Grateful SBs, you know, stuff that's much harder to get. They put it up there on level 4. Level 4, I think it's like 2,000 or 3,000 a month, but you get to pick up to like 5 shoes or something like that you get per month. I mean, this is a good option if you don't really like keeping shoes all the time. Like, if you're not really a collector and you just want to floss and stuff like that, it's a good idea. You got your Kicks World on the bag, and as you know, I miss on all the Kobe's. I ain't got one Kobe last year, so I said, F it, let me just try this out, see how it goes. I really want to wear these, so I'll wear them, and then either I'll buy them or I'll return them. And pretty much level 1 gets you any shoe that's like selling or reselling for under $300. So that's what level 1 gets you. Obviously level 2 is from like 300 to like 500 or something like that. Then you got level 3 that's in your close to the thousands, and then after that, after 1,000, that's the level 4 sneakers and stuff like that. But I went and I got the Kobe 5 rings. R.I.P. Mamba, man. I remember growing up in 1996. I remember when he used to come into I used to stay up because by that time we were going to bed 10:30. 10:30 games over here was really 7:30 in LA, so it would be 10:30 over here, and I'd just be waiting for Kobe to get in the game, and he would come in. I mean, if you remember the Lakers back in '96, Eddie Jones was there, and he would come in at the end of games because he wouldn't get much play time. But I would wait up just to see him get on the court, man, because I was a fan right from the start, right from when I saw him. And I just wanted to get up here just to check him out, you know. It's got the 5 of them. I love the details on these, man. I'm glad I was able to get a pair just to check them out. Look at all those details that the shoe has. Let's see if you guys can see that. Look at that. That's detail, man. I love shoes that got detail like this. This is like my favorite thing when a shoe got a lot of detail. MVP on the insole. Both insoles got MVP. It's the same details that are on the upper that are on the insole that makes up the MVP. It's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. Got your regular standard purple laces on there. You got your Kobe signature on the heel right there. On the tongue you got your Kobe logo with another nice detailing all around there. Your bottoms is like a smoked clear on the bottoms there with your yellow traction, your yellow Mamba logo right there, and the rest of the traction with little hints of purple, and you got your carbon fiber foot plate right there. And of course you got your yellow swoosh on the inside and the outside. I just really wanted to test these out, see if they're worth me buying in the long haul, because I mean I couldn't get not one Kobe, man. Last year 2020 was a bad year for me sneaker wise. I didn't get not one Kobe, but shout out to Kicks World. At least I get to try them out. It's I think it's a pretty good deal, because if I like them I can actually buy them for the 2 and change or whatever that they have them for, and I already got them in my hand, so it's kind of like trying them out for $9.99. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, man, why you renting Kicks? We don't do that. But I mean, it's different times. A lot of times some people, they might not have all that room in their apartment to house Kicks and to stack boxes. Maybe they want to buy a couple fly pairs, but not the type of person to really keep them all, or they get tired real quick. I remember sometimes it'd be the thrill of the hunt more than actually catching the shoe, you know what I mean? Like I'll get a sneaker sometimes and I'll be like, damn, these are dope, but at the end of the day I probably won't even rock them, so I'm gonna just let them go. It was just the thrill of that hunt, and that's how it is sometimes. You're just on the thrill of the hunt. As a sneakerhead, you know the thrill of the hunt is one of the main parts in that dopamine hit when you actually get the pair in hand. But a lot of times right after that, you move on to the next thing and the next and the next, and there's a new sneaker coming out damn near every couple days. There's a new pair, so you know what I mean. So yeah, but the box is just a plain box, Kobe logo on it. I wish this was the Grinches, man. I'm still holding out for them Grinches, man. I'm hoping to one day get those, but I'm not really trying to pay no $500 right now, unless I could, work something out with somebody that might have a size 13 out there. Let me know. Maybe we could work something out as a good price or whatever. But yeah, they send you the shoe trees, like I said. You got your thing. We're thrilled for you to be one of the first to unlock Kicks in KYX, the first of its kind all-access sneaker rental service. Basically, it's a rental service, and it's also, they partnered with Jeff Staple. You know who that is. I mean, if you're a sneakerhead, you know who that is. But Jeff Staple, the owner of Staple, Pigeon Dunks, starting to get to ya right now. He is in his creative agency, so that's one of the things. To tailor the program for the most discriminating sneakerhead. Enjoy your fresh pair of shoes and let us know how the experience was for you. Can I Kicks it? Yes, you can. I like the way they did that. It's a little dope. Little card and stuff. And then they tell you what your extras are right here. It also tells you about the reordering process. Like, you see, to reorder, in about 2 weeks, you'll want to log into your account and order your shoes for next month. Your new shipment will be ready 10 to 14 days and will be shipped once we receive your return. So basically, I wear these, I send them back in about 14 days or whatever. I go on the site, I choose the pair that I want to come to me next, and in a few days after that, I have my new fresh pair that I could wear, and just keep rotating them out once a month, and that's it. Or if I fall in love with the shoe, I could just buy it straight out, and then just keep my membership going, and I just buy whatever I want, keep whatever I want at whatever the price is that they have the shoe at. I mean, it's good. I think it's not a bad idea. I mean, it's kind of what the world's coming to with it being so hard to buy stuff. And like I said, a lot of people have a lot of shoes already, and then they don't even have space for the rest of the shoes. So why not just rent a pair? Especially if you're gonna go out somewhere, rent that pair, and then send it back and get a new pair. Always have a fresh pair on deck. I know a lot of you gonna say that that's crazy, but I wanted to give it a shot. Actually, also gave it a shot so you guys can see what it's like without having to do it. I'm basically doing it for you. So if you like the idea, check them out, kicksworld.com. Or is it kicks.world? Something like, yeah, it's kicks.world. And I'll have all that in the link down below. I mean, I'll have all the links in my description, letting you guys know how it works and all that. I'll take pictures of the cards and stuff, and I'll throw it up at the right moments when I'm talking about it, so you guys can see. And pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, I got some Kobe's I could rock now. Finally, it took me getting them this way, but for $100 to rock these for a month, I'll take it. Why not? And then you just gotta keep them fresh. You got your rejuvenator and all that stuff. Your shoe trees you pop in there. I actually wanted to see if the 13 fits me good still and stuff like that. So that's what I got for you guys today, man. And I hope that you enjoy. I'm pumping out videos. I'm trying to pump out videos as much as I can. And if you love this video, please rate, comment, subscribe. Help me with my algorithm. Share my videos to whoever you think would enjoy a video coming from me, Mills Kicks. Because I'm here for you guys, and I'm making these videos for you. So at the end of the day, love you all. Shout out to all of y'all, and I'm out. Peace.